Welcome back to Money Matters. We transform financial chaos into financial clarity. If you're ready to master budgeting, saving, and living a healthier financial life, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with budgeting, your financial roadmap. Without it, you're navigating the money maze blindfolded. But fear not. Here's how to make budgeting your best friend. Step 1. Track your spending. Think of this as your financial detective work. For a month, keep track of every penny. Use apps like YNAB or just jot it down in a notebook. You'll be amazed at where your money is really going. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. Some good, some not so much. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This is your financial safety net for when life throws you a curveball. Step 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Dining out is fun, but cooking at home is kinder to your wallet. Find small ways to trim costs without sacrificing too much. Your bank account will thank you. And speaking of costs, do you really need all those subscriptions? Take a look at your monthly commitments and see what you can cut. Sometimes a little decluttering is just what your budget needs. Let's talk savings now. It's not just about setting money aside, it's about making saving a habit. Here are some game changers. The 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. It's a solid foundation, but feel free to tweak it to fit your goals. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account right after payday. It's like paying yourself first and helps keep your savings on track without a second thought. Here's a pro tip. Set financial goals. Whether it's traveling, buying a home, or starting a business, write down your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Seeing your progress is incredibly motivating. Remember, financial health is just like physical health. It's all about balance. Budgeting and saving are tools to help you live a more relaxed and fulfilling life. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent. If these tips helped you, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to Money Matters for more financial wisdom. Got your own budgeting or saving tips? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier financial future. Catch you in the next video. Keep thriving and keep saving.